you've tuned in to the Griddle-aholics. Today we are going to be cooking on our Vision grill. My wife's inside, Debbie. She's getting our food prepped, ready to go. Stick around. We're going to show you what we're going to cook today.
Hi everybody, today we're going to make homemade pizza. We used to make them quite a bit when the kids were little, but we haven't made it recently, so we're going to try on the grill this time though. We're going to do it on the Kamado grill, just a wood-fired pizza. Homemade. I started out with a basic crust. You can pick it up anywhere. I just made it from scratch, just a basic pizza dough recipe. And then what I did is I added just a little bit of oregano to the crust and a little bit of garlic, just to give it a little bit more flavor. Okay, now we're gonna start putting our toppings on. And for our sauce, we really like Barilla's marinara sauce. It's really good. Take a little while to spread this around, and don't make the mistake of adding too much sauce. Sometimes you can do that, and you want to keep away from just less is better.
That's what she said.
Yeah. All right, I think that looks pretty good as far as our tomato sauce and crust.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so now comes the fun part, the toppings. We'll start out with some cheese, and what I did here is I have a mixture of mozzarella, shredded Provel, and a little bit of Imo's pizza, which is provolone, I believe. So we're gonna start adding that on. This is where less is not better. More is better. More cheese, the better.
Cheese is good.
It is good. Okay, now what do you want on it, Gary?
Definitely want mushrooms and pepperoni on there.
Okay, I don't want mushrooms, so I'm only going to put mushrooms on half.
Oh, that's fine.
I think I'll put a little bit more cheese on there.
Oh yeah, a little more cheese never hurt a thing.
I don't want to be able to see the sauce. I mean, that's just a rule, I think.
I like cheese.
Mm-hmm. So I think it's covered pretty good.
It looks good to me.
All right, now we'll put our pepperoni on. Just whatever you like. We just happen to like sausage, pepperoni, and onion, and mushrooms.
Well, you don't like mushrooms.
I don't like mushrooms. I like mushrooms, but not on a pizza. Okay, and then I'll put some of your mushrooms over here. Okay, and then I just...
another handful wouldn't hurt a thing.
Oh, well, we're going to put other stuff on there, so...
Okay.
All right, so then I just got some sausage. This is Italian sausage that I just took out of the casing and just kind of cooked it.
Nice chunks.
Yeah, I try to keep it big. Okay, and then we'll put some on this side. And this is just some onion that I had in the freezer, frozen onion that we use when we make our Philly cheesesteak. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that on there. Okay, and then follow it up with a little bit more cheese.
You know, you could put in a little bit more of that sausage over there, I do believe.
Okay, that's not your side, but okay.
Oh, I'm gonna have some of that too.
Oh,
I didn't know I had a side. Oh, I know, the mushroom's my side.
That's
yeah.
right, yep. I'm gonna put, just for pretty, put one in the middle. There we go. All right, we're ready to put it on the grill now.
And our grill is sitting outside at 450 degrees, and we're gonna show you.
since we don't have a pizza stone, we have a heat deflector. We put it on one of these to just kind of keep it from direct contact with the deflector. So we're gonna try this and just put it on there as this. Okay. And this is not gonna take long at all, maybe 10-15 minutes. So we'll check it in 10 minutes.
Little sneak peek at about 4.5 minutes. Oh, it is melting. Looking good. 12 minutes. Oh, look at that. Looking good. How's the bottom look? Oh, pretty. It's getting there. I think it's done.
Yeah, you want to put it on that tray?
Yeah, I think we better. I thought maybe you'd... Oh, yeah.
I'll get this one.
Now that's one good looking pizza.
Going in.
Going in.
Ooh, just the way you
Oh,
like
it's
it.
crunchy. Oh, that smells good, folks.
I hope it tastes as good as it smells.
This is our first pizza on the Vision Grill, on the Kamado Vision Grill. I think we did a good looking job there. Too hot to take a sample, folks, but it sure does look good.
I'll get a couple of paper plates.
You're ready now.
All right, I'm going in. I love the crunch. Very cheesy.
Still a little hot?
It's good.
It's good.
But it tastes good. Now, I don't know that it'll change anything except maybe pizza stone to deflect some of the heat from the middle, because we did get a little scorching on the bottom, but
Our first time, what the heck.
yeah, but it still tastes really good.
Okay. Folks, thanks for watching today on our first cook of our Vision Grill. We appreciate it. Hope you have a great day today, and I'm going to get in and get me some of this pizza. May the good Lord take a liking to you.